have 4 tickets, please?
Welcome to the Aquarium! Your tickets are ready.
Look at all the people! It is very busy today.
Yes, everyone is excited. Please follow the signs. The ocean tunnel is just ahead.
Come on, Max! Max, let's go inside!
Stay close together, family. Wow, this place is beautiful.
Look above us! The fish are swimming over our heads.
That giant turtle is swimming so slowly.
Wow!
Look at that big shark.
It is huge! I love it here.
Let's watch the animals quietly with everyone.
What is happening?
The floor is moving!
It is! An earthquake! A very big earthquake! It is dark! People are falling!
Sit down, everyone! Protect your heads! Attention, everyone! Stay down! Do not panic!
The earthquake stopped.
Listen! What is that strange sound?
Look at the glass! There is a crack!
Hold on! Another shock! The ground is shaking again! The glass is broken! Water is coming inside!
The water is cold! We are in danger!
Dad! The shark is hitting the glass! It is angry!
Everyone, listen to me! Step back from the glass! Step back from the glass! The water is rising fast! My feet are wet! We must leave the tunnel now! Follow my light! Keep moving! Keep moving!
Hold my hand tight, Lily! Let's follow the guard! The water is very heavy. Walking is difficult.
Oh no! The tunnel is shaking again!
Do not stop, Sam! Keep walking!
I have Max! Stay close to the guard! Hurry, everyone! The emergency exit is very close!
see the big metal door!
Go through the door! Quickly!
Go, Lily! Go, Sam! You are doing great!
The glass is breaking completely! Run! Help me push the heavy door!
We did it! The door is closed. It held the water.
Please, come here. Drink some water. Drink some water.
Thank you. We are very wet and cold.
You did a wonderful job, family. You are very brave. Thank you for your help, officer.
The ground is finally quiet. The earthquake stopped completely.
That was terrifying, but everyone is safe now. We are together.
Remember, in an earthquake, drop, cover, and hold on under a sturdy table or desk. Always stay away from glass windows, glass doors, and tall objects. Never use the elevators during an emergency. Always use the stairs and follow the exit signs calmly. Always have an emergency kit ready, at home with water, a first aid kit,
And a flashlight.
and remember, if you are outside, stay away from buildings, streetlights, and power lines. Move to an open area.
Have you ever survived an earthquake? Let us know in the comment.
If you want to see more videos, give us a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video!